Hi people, it's me, Matthew. I'm at Daniel's house, but Daniel won't be doing this because he's playing Slenderina, as I told you on one of my videos. We're now watching Annoying Orange, which is filled with TNT. Yeah, and blowing up. See? TNT. In a fireplace. Oh wait, no, that was a lighter. So, if you've seen the video I posted, the last one, about hoverboards, yes, that was me, and they were my friend's hoverboards, but they let me inside their house, which their mum didn't let me, because their mum didn't know. So, I've escaped Granny for the 5th time because I did a glitch on the table. Actually, Daniel did it for me because I didn't know how to do it. It's just that it wouldn't work. So Daniel told me a top tip that it works normally on day 2. So he did it and I escaped again. And I also sung a happy birthday song to Granny and shot her in the head.
Which was very annoying for me.
Yes, it was very annoying for Daniel. But do you want to hear it?
No.
Daniel's not going to hear it, so I'm going upstairs with my phone. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Granny. Happy birthday to you. Boo, you're so ugly, Granny. Apology for grannies who are watching this. This is not calling you like ugly. It's calling the horror game Granny because she was glitched at the table. Anyway, no offense. Kidding. No offense. Not. That means not really no offense. I'm not on a hoverboard right now, but I'm on a wrestling thing. I'm balancing on it. Okay, I've just came off. But I really like the people who've viewed me. If you are watching Baba, Tiana and Troy, I am now at Daniel's. Pardon me. I just jumped 2 times. Oh, that was another one. Pardon me. Okay. Oh, that stinks. That does actually stink. Anyway, if you are watching this, Babichana and Troy and Daniel, please subscribe this, please like this, and please view it. Anyway, what was I gonna do? Oh yes, a game of like Granny, but I'm the granny and the child. Woken up. I'm gonna do a prank. I'm gonna do a prank on Leo to scare Leo. If you heard that meow, that was Leo. Hi, I'm Leo. Look inside my mouth. Dee 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 dee. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Bye bye. I moved back. So that was Leo. You saw him yawn 2 times. I've been doing this video for over 4 times and I've escaped Granny for the 5th time at Daniel's house. So bye.